What's up, guys? Okay, why am I laughing? You want to know why I'm laughing? Because I saw this recipe, saw it on TikTok. I thought I'd try it out on YouTube and see if it's really that good. It's another keto lasagna. It's called CABBAGE lasagna, and everything here is good for you. So I laid out all the ingredients, and I'm like, there's a lot of ingredients here. Unbelievable. So there's a lot of seasoning, some wine, some sauce. Coming in close, we'll run down all the ingredients. We'll get this started, but the reason I brought it to YouTube is because it looks so good. It really did. So we're gonna show you how to get it all started and get it going. I sure hope you like cabbage. Come on in. All right, guys, so I saw this recipe on TikTok. It looked really good. It's keto friendly. It's called cabbage lasagna. And I just thought we'd get right into the ingredients. I laid them all out, didn't realize how many there were. So let me go down everything, all right? Got some olive oil, onion, cabbage, definite. Have to have the cabbage for this because it's called cabbage lasagna. Sausage, 2 pounds of ground beef, some red wine, some sauce, mozzarella, grated Parmesan, ricotta cheese. Then we got over here, we got oregano and basil. Here we got salt, underneath pepper, red pepper flakes, parsley, garlic down below, and onions hiding way back here. I may have bitten off more than I could chew because, I mean, look at all these ingredients. But they're basic ingredients. It's not like you're going to have trouble finding any of this stuff at your store, all right? So let's get started on cabbage lasagna. Wait till you see how this looks. This is going to be amazing. All right, first thing you do is cut up your cabbage to like just some strips. That's going to be like your noodles. I'm going to put them all in here. If there's any hard pieces, get rid of them. And then we're going to take a little olive oil. Just kind of spread a little bit of olive oil around. Then we're going to take my garlic, and you can use powder if you want. I'm using minced garlic and minced onion. Go ahead and drop your seasoning in there. Okay, here we're going to brown the meat. Here we're going to saute the onions, then throw the onions in with the meat. All right, guys, so let's put our meat in first. Get that going. There we go. It's all in there. Throw our onions in. We're going to go at the same time. I've sauteed all the onions. Put them all in there. Take some sauce. About 1.5 cups worth of sauce. There you go. Mix that in. Then get your onions and your everything mixed in together. You're going to let this cook for about 15 minutes. All right? Now what I want you to do is grab your cabbage that's oiled and seasoned. Bake that for 15 minutes at 350 while your sauce and meat are cooking, okay? So let me start scooping this up and spreading it out. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put, you probably ask why do all the different cheeses. Because each cheese has a different flavor and a different effect. There's texture, you put cheese in, that's the ricotta. It's got a little sweetness to it. Then you got Parmesan grated, which is tangy. So I'm putting that over all this. There we go. I take a little salt. More garlic. Put 1 dollop there. 1 dollop there. 1 dollop there. Now the one scene while I'm putting this cheese on, this is mozzarella. We're just going to cover the whole thing in mozzarella. The one scene you didn't see, that it's up to you or not, I put red wine also in with the meat. You can do that. Once again, all cooked. Just put it in until you're happy with the way the cheese looks. It's like, it just needs to melt, and then we're ready to serve. It's juicy. On the juice. All right, guys, just want to show you up close how it looks. It looks really good. Look at that. Yeah, put a little extra sauce on top. You can take it out of here. You can put some fresh sauce on there or take it right out of the dish. I made this dish because it looked amazing where I saw it. It looked beautiful, so I thought I'd recreate it and see if it's any good. So I'll tell you in a second if it is. But this is all keto-friendly, good stuff. Good seasonings, good meat. And look at these. Look at this. The cabbage looks like noodles. It's great. Mmm. That's the real deal. You guys are going to love this. Try this out. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next episode.